Welcome back, man, to Alphamantraining.com. So tonight's topic is how to turn a girl via text messages. So you need to portray the scene once you text her. For example, both of you, what you could do, and shoot both text by portraying that scene. Insert you and her into that scene, shoot, and she will start to imagine. Now it's actually that's it, and you can change yourself really well. So for example, what you can do is first of all, you can read our book How to Become an Alpha Man. Go to alphamantraining.com products. You need to become that family. Click on gallery. Look, how our family looks like we are living a real amazing lifestyle. A lot of us creating families, having kids. A lot of us be having their life partners, and it's awesome. And most important, all those men, we have skill to see anywhere a girl, approach and seduce her. And even we can do that on different countries, and we can travel. So it's awesome thing. So yeah, you need change your style, get a new haircut, go to gym, and change your mindset. And most things you will achieve once you will read our content. Carefully will study our content, and that content will be a book, How to Become an Alpha Man. Add to cart now. Go to alphamantraining.com products, add that cart, because time flies really fast. You cannot imagine how days fly really fast. So add to cart, save your time, change your mindset. Next thing, add to cart, pick up online training courses. Watch, real Infield videos, how this thing happens in real life. Read carefully the content, pick up online training courses, and if it connects to you and it will solve your problem, add to cart now that. Pay via your debit or credit card. Once the funds will clear on our account, we will unlock you that program, and you will go to those videos step by step, and will start to apply by yourself. Each day you will see, walking down single female, you will approach and will apply most knowledge. The next thing, you will need to change your dress, the way you dress, the way you talk to a girl, the way you sound to her. So you will change that by watching our pickup online training courses, and you will see how we dress, how we approach females, potential our life partners. And then you will start to learn how to dance with them. This skill is very important. Dance in a way to seduce them. So spin with one hand, you learn spin with one hand, spin with two hands, dip down technique, lift up technique. Those techniques you could apply anywhere, on the street, in shopping mall, at public transport, at tube, anywhere. Because all women, they love to dance, and you could be their dance partner, and a dance partner turned to sex partner. Awesome. So learn to dance. Then you will become more and more advanced. You will start to date a couple of girls, start to watch our products, from approach to sex in the gym. Go to gym, go to different gyms. Don't go to one gym. Go to different gyms, because you need variety of gyms, variety of environments, variety of people. So try different gyms. If you are in a small city, go to a bigger city one, where more people. Go to gym, and if you see beautiful single woman, she could be potential your life partner. A girl for long-term relationship. Go use knowledge from our product, from approach to sex, in the gym, where we show a real Infield of probably 3 hours from approach to sex and with sex scenes, because a lot of you are virgins. We it's very important for you to see both Infield and learn all the behavior. Once you apply it at the gym, try at the resort. It's summertime. Go to resort. Go to where is the sea. Approach girls near the sea. Use from approach to sex at the resort. And watch that our program. Go to Alphamantraining.com products. Insert the card now. Because you're getting older and older. You need to save time, not money. Because money you will earn, but you will not earn your time. You cannot borrow time. You cannot earn that time. You just can't use your time. So go and invest. Now, the next thing, once you will become advanced, we need to shortcut the process for you of getting women. So we need to install you the mindset and knowledge and the habit of seducing here on the same day, because the time is very important. Who is the alpha man? Alpha man is a businessman. He saves time, you know. So the time is most important for him. So you apply with from approach to sex with 5 different girls. You see all the 5 infields, the 5 different girls. So that infield will shock you actually, because from hello world to sex scenes, everything is shooted. So it's awesome program to learn carefully everything, you know, how the alpha man seduces here. So you could become that one guy and eventually go to same day bang version 1, version 2. So you have a plan now. You need to act. If you don't act, if you don't step forward, nothing will happen. Females will never approach you and will never talk to you. You need to do that action. They can send you signals, but they will never approach you and they never talk to you. You need to do by yourself that. And you will feel awesome by doing that, because you will do what you can do. If you feel that, you know, it's not the perfect time to approach and to act, to invest in products and talk to women, you are wrong, because it will never become a perfect time. You will never be a perfect. You will always find, your head will always find the reason why to not approach girls, why to not change yourself. So head could always, you know, your head could stop you or could really help you. So make sure that your head is helping you out. You can use your head for helping you out. So always use your head for helping you out, and you will thank for your head. So girls are waiting you. See, she's with a female friend walking. You need to learn those scenarios. How to approach a female when she walks with a mom or with a female friend or with a sister. On Pickup Online Training course, you will learn those things. So make sure you go and you do that, because later on will be too late. You're getting older and older. Act now. Go to alphamantraining.com, click products. The best is to insert all products at once. You get huge discount and just start to change. Will be awesome. So wish you an amazing day. Until next time. Bye.